Hello, I'm Paolo. Welcome to this demonstration of HSG's all-new Store Pro automation system, fully integrated with our GH series fiber laser cutting machine. Let's start with a full system overview. To my left is the Store Pro Tower, the core of this automation solution. It's purpose-built to store raw material and over time can also manage semi-finished and finished parts, supporting a seamless workflow from start to finish. Beside it is the unloading system designed to quickly lower cut parts for sorting and downstream tasks, like bending, welding, or packaging. This ensures a continuous production flow with minimal operator effort. The Store Pro Tower features a smart elevator system that brings the right pallet to the right place, whether you're loading new sheets or unloading completed parts. It's more than just storage, it's a dynamic logistics hub. Next, let's focus on the loading and unloading module. A high-efficiency vacuum system automatically lifts the raw sheet and places it on the pallet, which then glides smoothly into the cutting zone, even while the previous sheet is still being processed. Crucially, loading and unloading happen in parallel, inside the hidden time, so there is no waiting. The moment one sheet is finished, the next begins, enabling truly uninterrupted cutting. You're seeing it now. Cut parts moving to the sorting zone while new material is being processed. It's a true parallel workflow that boosts productivity without adding labor. Every element is built with the operator in mind. From one central station, they can manage the entire production cycle, monitor operations, and perform quality checks. The layout is ergonomic and the controls are intuitive, so one person can confidently manage the system. Let's talk numbers. Imagine cutting 2mm mild steel on a 10 by 5 foot sheet. With Store Pro, the full cycle, loading, cutting, and unloading is done in just 2 minutes. Store Pro is built with smart sensors to ensure everything runs smoothly, no force impact during loading, precise zero-point alignment, and automatic sheet thickness detection. Whether you're handling thick plates or thin sheets, this system gets it right every single time. That means no more unexpected breakdowns, no more wasted materials, just smooth, seamless production day in and day out. Whether you're cutting thick carbon steel or thin aluminum, the system ensures perfect positioning and clean cuts every time. No breakdowns, no surprises, just reliable, uninterrupted production. And we fully understand that every shop is different. That's why Store Pro is flexible. Whether you prefer centralized sorting, pallet-based logistics, or sheet-by-sheet handling, Store Pro can be configured to match your needs. And the best part, it grows with you. Start with what fits your current budget. Expand as your business scales. Store Pro is modular, flexible, and future-ready. Let's recap. With HSG all-new Store Pro system, you will get night operation with fewer operators, smart, simple daytime sorting, no extra storage space needed, higher ROI through continuous flow. At HSG, we don't just build machines, we deliver trusted solutions that make fabrication smarter, faster, and easier. It's not just about automation, it's about giving you freedom to run your business your way. Thanks for watching.